we're presenting to you a special feature entitled The Greatest Among Us. Let us welcome them. In front of you are different professions who thinks he or she is the greatest among the rest. Now, let us hear them out and be a judge. Who is the greatest among all?
I'm a businesswoman. As you can see, among all the people here, I am the richest among all. I help create innovations and make important technological advancement. In actuality, society itself would hardly exist as you know it if it weren't for businesses. Therefore, I am the greatest among all.
Hello. Mic test. Hello. Hello. I am a lawyer. One thing you must know about me is that I am the greatest out of them all. You see that businesswoman? She's nothing without me. I always breathe her rampant, for I am the one who speak on your behalf of the court. Yes, it's true. I am the most important person out of them all. I judge. I defend. Without me, you are nothing. They are nothing without me. Without me, they can never really acquaint with politicians and anybody else. For I am the one who signed all your much needed documents to ensure your legal foundations of your affair, thus making me the most important person. I am the lawyer.
I am a doctor. I exist to make a difference in everyone's life. Without me, fighting for survival in this dying world is evidently impossible. Can you heal yourselves? Of course you can. But when things go critically crazy, who would you run to? Without a doubt, magpalaban tayo ng doctor. The presence of a doctor, my dear people, is the beginning of cure. We have seen the drastic effects that COVID-19 has put our lives into. Face me, businesswoman. Atubang ako. Kung maigo kag COVID, do you think your business can make it worldwide? No, she can't. Same goes to that lawyer. Lawyer, kung mahaynad ka o manggahay ka dinefense mong kaso sa korte, could you also defend yourself from dying? No, you can't. That's why I am the best among us all. Because why? Medicine can cure diseases, but only a doctor like me can cure you all.
I am a nurse, and I am the greatest among all. Why? Because nurses like me play a multifaceted role in healthcare. We are caregivers, innovators, and critical thinkers. Kami ang nasilbing mata, dalunggan o baba sa katawhan sa hospital settings. Not only nurses do understand the implication of short-term illnesses and chronic diseases, we do possess interpersonal skills and empathy that will bring comfort to the patient and their loved ones. If you've ever been in the hospital, you know it's common for a doctor to see nga visit na sila ang patient once or twice a day for only just a few minutes at a time. Kami ang mag-monitor silang medication, mag-administer silang progress 24/7. Kamong tanan businesswoman, lawyer o doktor o kamong na magsakit o pato mo sa hospital, kinsa man ang una ninyong makitaan, kinsa man ang una ninyong doolon, na may doktor mo dool mo diha dayon, di ba magpa-schedule pa mo, aha mo makakita sa doktor. Therefore, I am the greatest among all.
I'm an engineer, and I'm the greatest among all. I build infrastructures, roads, houses, machineries, and many more. Without me, where will you all work? And even if you do have a place to work, will you be able to go there without proper roads? During natural disasters? None, right? Where did you go to school to finish and have your profession now? See? No answer? I am obviously the greatest among you. And without my assistance, they're all gonna be worthless.
I'm a policeman. I serve. No, I mean. Without my existence, the world will be in chaos and no one can ever catch the criminals because it's only people with the skills to do it. If you are in a situations wherein your lives are in the hands of a murderer, are you gonna call the engineer whose thoughts are just into buildings, roads, and structures? I highly doubt that. Can a lawyer bring justice without the presence of the police? Truth be told that a successful lawsuit is sworn by me, not by that lawyer. Tigdawat na na sila kriminal. While here I am doing all the work just to bring peace of all of you. Bear in mind that a police like me can do the action in the face of fear.
Amahan sa amin sa Espiritu Santo. Ako sa kapari, o ako sa ilang tanan. Si businessman, makatawag business, kasi tawagon ako ay magpa amahan sa anak. Si lawyer, makapasar, magpa amahan sa anak. Si nurse, makapasar, magpa amahan sa anak. Usa, kanitanan, makasala asa mo sa tuwa. Mga lawat, pare, morning akong sala. Usa, mga kaigsuunan, ako ang dako sila ang tanan. Kaya kung wala ko, di sila maluwas.
I am a scientist, and kami sa tubangan rin yung naisunan, mo din siya ang pagmangkod ni Albert Einstein way back in 1800s. So, wala akong masaya na isunan, pero ikan di pang lingkod di ako kana nasa mga ikan sa kuha. I discovered it more than 15 years ago. So, and also, sa wala akong masayod, I am the co-founder and developer, and at the same time, I am the producer of the medicine. Kung wala tayong mga medicine nga karon, halos kita karon na tigong sa mga COVID-19. And that's why I am the greatest among of us. And kaya ano, doctors that prescribes medicine for their patients, nagika na sa mga. Kay without me, hindi sila maka-establish and maka-produce sa mga pagkatima sila mga patients. Hindi pa sila makabuo ka ng mga medicine kaya alam sila mga pasyente. And that's the reason why I'm the greatest among us.
I am a teacher who helps to shape our little minds. I am a teacher who consumes the light the way of others. Without me standing here, all those colorful titles, degrees, and all-embracing knowledge you possess will put into waste, and this is the truth that we cannot hide in this world full of toxic people. Businesswoman, lawyer, doctor, nurse, engineer, police, pari, scientist, mag-exist pagod di sila without the teacher? Of course, dili. Teacher is the only profession that creates all other professions. Therefore, I am the greatest among of us.
usa ka ordinaryo ra nga tawo mga igsunan. Wala ko gipa hinambok apan aduna ko kabaw sa mua. Pero inutang ra ko tawo to. Nya, usa ko ka parmero. Mahal kayo ang bugas, pamaliton, pero wala na ko nabali ng mga putanga sa daghan og problema mga igsunan. Apan, malipayan ako, kauban ako ang Ginoo. O aduna ako'y gugma sa akong isikataw. O mora to, maraming salamat.
Who then is the greatest for you? Is it the businesswoman? Is it the doctor? Is it the lawyer? Is it the nurse? The engineer? The policeman? The priest? The scientist? The teacher? Or the peasant? Jesus said in Matthew 18 verse 1, "Whoever humbles himself like this child is the greatest in the kingdom of heaven." He added in Mark 9:33, If anyone wants to be first, he must be the very last and the servant of all." Brethren, in the estimation of heaven, what is it that constitutes greatness? Not that which the world account greatness, not the amount of money we have, not the properties we own, nor the fame, nor anything that satisfies our ego. It is the moral worth that God values. Love, humbleness, and purity are the attributes He prizes the most. Let us then walk and talk like Jesus, for He is a great example of love, humbleness, and purity, and is our only key to be the greatest in the kingdom of heaven. Ladies and gentlemen, the greatest of all.